rule is cash account belongs to real account.
Real account.
Okay. So again, real account rule is
Debit what comes in, credit what goes out.
debit what comes in,
Credit what goes out.
credit what
Goes out.
goes out. Okay. So now we'll start writing the journal entry. So first one, purchased goods for cash for business 1,000 rupees. So important
1,000.
items are goods and cash. Goods belong to real account. So real account rule is debit what comes in, credit what
Credit
goes
what
out.
goes out.
So when you are purchasing goods by giving cash for business, goods are coming in or going out?
Coming in.
Coming in. So first line. So goods account data amount is 1,000.
1,000.
When you are purchasing goods, what is happening to the cash? Cash is coming in or going out of the business?
Going out of the business.
So, to cash account 1,000. And how you'll write the narration? Being
Cash.
goods purchased for business for cash. Okay,
Cash.
this is the entry you are writing. If you don't know how to write the narration, just copy this. Purchased goods for cash for business 1,000 rupees. Okay. Now,
Okay.
one important instruction is whenever you are writing a journal entry, everything is same. But suppose if goods are there, okay? If goods is there in the entry, instead of writing goods, what we should write is, we should write purchase. Okay? This is
Okay,
one of the important rule. Whenever a goods are given in a journal entry, instead of goods, what we should write? We should write purchase. Now, why we should write purchase? Because here it is purchase of goods. Okay. Now, if you write goods, nobody will understand what is this goods. But if you write purchase, you will understand that, okay, here you have made a purchase. Okay. So, treatment, everything is same. Just like goods account determines, everything is same. But instead of writing goods, what you should write? You should write just
purchase.
And what type of transaction is this? Whether it is a cash transaction or credit transaction?
Credit.
No, it is a cash transaction. Why it is a cash transaction? Because you paid cash and you purchased goods. Okay. If it is a credit transaction, how will come to know whether it is a credit transaction? Their cash will not be there. Instead of cash, you'll get a person name.
Person.
Okay. Now, first important point you write, where if cash is given, are you taking now?
Yes, ma'am.
If cash is given in entry, means it is a cash transaction. Okay. And second one, instead of cash, if person name is given, then it is a credit transaction.
Transaction.
Okay. And next, what you'll write? Next important point, in case of purchase, okay, in case of purchase of goods, means suppose if goods is there in a journal entry and it is of purchase, in case of purchase of goods, instead of goods, we should write purchase.
Purchase.
We should write purchase. Okay. Now, these are the three important points. You just take it down. Purchased goods from Ravi, 5,000. Okay. Now, identify two important items. Goods and Ravi. Okay. Now, here purchased goods from Ravi. So, here cash is mentioned in the entry.
Yes, ma'am.
Cash is not mentioned in the entry, no? So is it a cash transaction or credit transaction?
Credit transaction.
Very good. It is a credit transaction. Why we are writing credit transaction? Because cash is not mentioned and person name is. Now next one is cash sales 15,000. Okay. Now here, like the previous one, you don't have important two items to underline. Now first one is how you will identify whether it is a cash transaction or credit transaction.
Cash transaction.
So it is a cash
Cash
transaction.
transaction.
Okay. Next one. Now you want two important items. Now in that one important item is there cash. Okay.
Cash.
Now next one is and where is the another important item to identify. So next one, what did they say? It is a sales.
Sales.
Okay. Now when we call it sales, when we are selling some goods, okay, then we call it as sales. Otherwise, we don't call it as sales. So what is the hidden item here? Goods.
Goods.
Okay. Now two important items are here cash and next one is goods.
Goods.
Same like purchase last class what we have seen the same thing. Okay. So cash and goods account. Now both cash belongs to real account. Next to goods belongs to real account. Real account rule is debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Particulars. Okay. Now you see cash sale. Sales means cash. Sales means goods sold for cash. Amount is rupees 15,000. When you are selling goods for cash, what is coming in, what is going out?
Cash is going out and goods are coming in the business.
When you are selling goods for cash, what is coming in and what is going out?
Cash is coming, goods are going.
So cash is coming in, cash account data. What is going out? Goods are going out to goods account. Amount is 15,000 and
15,000.
15,000. So what is the narration you are going to write? Being goods sold for
15.
For cash. Okay,
For cash.
15,000. But what you should do in journal entry, you should not write goods. So what you should write here? What is the nature of transaction here?
Sales.
Cash sales.
Sales.
What is the nature of transaction here? Sales.
Sales.
So you should write here sales.
Sales.
So instead of goods, what you are going to write? Sales. Now the
Sales.
entry is cash account data to sales account.
Sales
Amount
account
is 15.
1,000.
Okay, take down this.
Done, ma'am.
Rishan, today I am giving on sales. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, yesterday's and today's both you have to do it homework. Then tomorrow we'll take up more number of entries because these are the major entries. You should understand it properly. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now take these three as a homework.
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Zishan, yesterday's homework and today's homework, you have to do it and show me. Okay.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
these purchase entries, sales entries are very, very, very important. Now, if you understand this, then I'll take up new entries. Okay.
Yes,
If you
ma'am.
don't understand this and if I take up new entries means you'll not understand properly. Okay. And especially these sales and purchase entries, you should understand it properly. That are the basic foundation for your ledger and trial balance. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. I got the point.
Right now, yesterday's and today's homework you have to complete and show me tomorrow.